How to use Google Pay on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Google Pay on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your App Store and we'll search for Google Pay first. So search for Google Pay on your Play Store or App Store and then you'll see that there is no option for Google Pay. If you scroll down, you'll notice that Google Pay is not available for iPhone. So in that case, what you can do is you can open up your Safari or any other web browser and simply search for Google Pay. After you search for Google Pay, there you will see an option. So here you'll see an option from App Store as well. If you tap on it, you'll see that this app is not available in the region. If it is in yours, you can open that up. I'll just head over to the website of Google Pay by heading over to pay.google.com. And after I tap on it, I can now set up Google Pay. If you have already set up Google Pay, you can simply log in into your account as well. So I'll just tap on setup and it will take me to wallet.google.com. So there you can see I've already logged in automatically. Now here I can add a pass and I can add a loyalty card or a gift card. Accordingly, I will then need to choose what the card is of and go through the setup process. So here I can pay securely with Google Pay. I can tap on that, or if I just want to do anything else, I can simply scroll down and do those stuff. So here you can see I can add my payment card in wallet to pay with Google Pay. And yeah, that's the basic features of Google Pay. You can tap on the three lines on the top left to go through the payment methods, go to the passes and transactions and everything else. So yeah, this is the basics of Google Pay, guys. There isn't much you can do without the app, but here you can do the basic functionalities like adding the payment methods, checking out your transactions and stuff. And that's basically how you can use Google Pay on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.